By-Bindhprava Sahu. Welcome you all to SNEB'S Biology. तो आज सुबह श्वेता मैम आपकी 1 से लेकर 35 क्वेश्चंस तक प्रैक्टिस सेट 5 में डिस्कस कर चुकी हैं. तो मैं लेकर आई हूँ बाकी 35 क्वेश्चंस, दैट इज फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 to 70. ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. आफ्टर ओव्यूलेशन ग्राफियन follicles form A. corpus luteum, B. corpus albicans, C. corpus artemisia, D. corpus callosum. ओके, सो ओव्यूलेशन के बाद ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? दे फॉर्म व्हाट? कॉर्पस लुटियम. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. Outer covering of blastula is A. trophoblast, B. embryoblast, C. zona radiata, D. none of the above. Okay, so what is this blastula? Blastula is an animal embryo at the early stage of development when it is a hollow ball of cells, right? So उसका outer covering को क्या बोलते हैं? It is called as trophoblast. Okay, so answer will be option A. Now come to question number 38. PID stands for A. pelvic inflammatory disease, B. portal inflammatory disease, C. pelvic inflammation disease device, D. none of these. ओके, तो PID का फुल फॉर्म क्या है हमारा? pelvic inflammatory disease, not device. Okay, so don't get confused. So answer will be option A. Now come to question number 39. Phenylketonuria is A. sex-linked dominant trait, B. sex-linked recessive trait, C. autosomal dominant trait, D. autosomal recessive trait. Okay, so if a trait is skipping a generation in a pedigree, it is often an autosomal disease or autosomal recessive trait. Okay, recessive, not dominant. Okay, the dominant trait will not skip any generation, right? So these traits appear with equal frequency in both sexes. So in autosomal recessive disorder means 2 copies of an abnormal gene must be present in order for the disease or the trait to be developed. Okay, or to develop, right? So what is this phenylketonuria? It is a autosomal recessive trait. Okay, not dominant. Okay, अगर हम पेडिग्री एनालिसिस करेंगे phenylketonuria का तो it skips a generation. Okay, now come to question number 40. How can a female be colorblind? A. both parents normal, B. father normal, mother carrier, C. father colorblind, mother carrier, D. father colorblind, mother normal. Okay, now come to option A. तो हम ये क्रॉस करके देखेंगे. तो दिया हुआ है कि बोथ पेरेंट्स नॉर्मल है, तो नॉर्मल है तो जो भी ऑफस्प्रिंग आएंगे ऑल विल बी नॉर्मल. ओके, फिर दिया हुआ है कि फादर नॉर्मल एंड मदर इज कैरियर. ओके, सो वी विल टेक हेटेरोजाइगस कंडीशन, दैट इज ले लेते हैं कि फादर को हमारा XY एंड मदर को ले लेंगे हमारा XCX. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि हमारा क्या यहाँ पे दिया है फीमेल कलर ब्लाइंड, यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है फीमेल कलर ब्लाइंड. ओके, इट विल बी कैरियर, राइट, एंड द मेल विल कलर ब्लाइंड. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन सी, फादर कलर ब्लाइंड मदर कैरियर. ओके, सो फादर कलर ब्लाइंड मतलब XCY होगा और मदर कैरियर XCX होगा. तो इसका क्रॉस करेंगे अगर हम तो हमें मिलेगा एक कलर ब्लाइंड फीमेल, फिर कलर ब्लाइंड मेल, फिर कैरियर फीमेल एंड नॉर्मल मेल. ओके, फीमेल इज नॉट कलर ब्लाइंड, मतलब ऑल फीमेल्स आर नॉट कलर ब्लाइंड. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑप्शन डी, फादर कलर ब्लाइंड मदर नॉर्मल. ओके, तो फादर हो गए क्या हमारा XCY, नाउ मदर इज XX. सो इसका क्रॉस अगर हम करेंगे देन your the daughter will be carrier and the son will be normal. Okay, तो हमें ये चारों में से कौन से ऑप्शन में हमें कलर ब्लाइंड फीमेल दिखाई दिया? It is in option C. Okay, so answer will be option C. That is, when father is colorblind and mother is carrier, then 25 of the offspring, 25 of the female offspring will be what? 25% will be colorblind. Okay. Now come to question number 41. In sickle cell anemia, which got changed? Okay. So, इसका ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है अल्फा चेन, बी बीटा चेन, सी बोथ अल्फा एंड बीटा चेन, डी नन ऑफ दिस. ओके, सो सिकल सेल एनीमिया में क्या होता है? द आरबीसीज बिकम डिफेक्टिव एंड इट चेंज इट्स शेप, राइट? So the faulty hemoglobin, that is your hemoglobin S, it replaces the normal hemoglobin, that is your hemoglobin A. Okay, तो कौन से चेन में होता है यहाँ पूछा है? तो हमारा बीटा चेन में होता है. Okay, so answer will be option B. Now come to question number 42. Our arm is homologous with A, a seal flipper, B, an octopus tentacles, C, monkey's tail, D, both A and C. Okay, so what is this homology? Homology means same structure but different function in a simple way. Okay, and analogy means same function but there is different structure, right? तो इसमें homologous पूछा गया है हमारे arm के साथ, so answer will be your seal flipper. Okay, so option A. Now come to question number 43. Archezoic era is considered as of age of A, fishes, B, marine life, C, protist, D, amphibians. Okay, तो आर्कियोजोइक एरा में क्या दिखाई देते हैं? दिए थे हमारे marine life. Okay, so that was the age of marine life. Now come to question number 44. What is Lamarck credited with? A, natural selection as a mechanism of evolution, B, the observation of mass extinction, C, a mechanism to explain evolution, D, the discovery of giraffe. Okay, it's a very easy question. That answer will be option what? C. Okay, a mechanism to explain evolution. Okay, now come to question number 10. Which of the following was not a part of neo-Darwinism? Not Darwinism, neo-Darwinism. Okay, so कौन है? हमारे H.J. Muller, W.L. Johansen, George Cuvier, Henry Morgan. Okay, so who was not the part of neo-Darwinism? Answer will be C, that is George Cuvier. Okay, now come to question number 46. Human blood groups A, B, AB and O are examples of A, gradualism, B, Klein gradient of Klein, C, gradient of diploidy, D, polymorphism. Okay, it's a very easy question. हमारा blood group जो है that shows polymorphism. Okay, so answer will be option D. Now come to question number 47. A beneficial allele increases more rapidly in frequency if it is A, recently mutated, B, rare, C, dominant, D, recessive. अगर allele dominant हो, then the frequency will increase. Okay, so answer will be option C. Now come to question number 48. The most important character of man from evolution point of view is A, erect posture and bipedal locomotion, B, opposable thumb, C, larger size of brain with creative intelligence, D, all of the above. Okay, so हमारा जो A, B और C option है, all are correct. Okay, so answer will be हमारा what? D. Now come to question number 49. The highest cranial capacity was present in A, Java man, B, Peking man, C, handyman, D, modern man. So what is this cranial capacity? Cranial capacity is a measure of the volume of the interior of the skull of those vertebrates who have a brain, right? And we measure it in the unit of cubic centimeter. Okay. So the modern man has the highest cranial capacity. Okay. So answer will be option D. Now come to question number 50. Edward Jenner is the discoverer of A. BCG, B. Immunization against polio, C. Vaccination against smallpox, D. Immunization against smallpox. So Edward Jenner discovered vaccine against smallpox. Okay, so answer will be option C. Now come to question number 51. Hepatitis A is caused by A. Sexual contact, B. Blood transfusion, C. Mosquito, D. Fecal contamination. Okay, so hepatitis A is caused by fecal contamination. So answer will be option D. Now come to question number 52. The continuous and excessive intake of alcohol causes. Okay, continuous और excess में अगर हम alcohol consume करेंगे, so what will happen? A. Gastritis, B. Fatty liver syndrome, C. Cirrhosis, D. All of the above. ये सब होता है. Okay, clear? So answer will be option D. Now come to question number 53. Which of the following drug gets partially converted to morphine in the body? Okay, कौन सा ड्रग मॉर्फिन में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है? ओके, सो ऑप्शन दिया है मेस्कलाइन, बी बेंजीन, सी साइलोसाइबिन, देन डी कोडीन. ओके, सो हमारा जो मेस्कलाइन होता है दैट ड्रग गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू मॉर्फिन इन द बॉडी. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. नाउ वही मेस्कलाइन के बारे में पूछा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. मेस्कलाइन इज अ व्हाट? ए स्टिमुलेंट, बी ट्रैंक्विलाइजर, सी सेडेटिव, डी हेलुसिनोजन. इट इज अ हेलुसिनोजन. ओके, हेलुसिनोजेनिक इफेक्ट इसका होता है. ऑप्शन डी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 55. लोही इज अ ब्रीड ऑफ ए sheep, B goat, C domestic fowl, D geese. So lohi is a breed of sheep. Okay, remember this. So answer will be option A. Now come to question number 56. Gumboro disease in poultry is caused by A bacteria, B virus, C fungi, D Emeria. What is this Emeria? Algae. Okay, so 21. Option B will be the correct answer. Gumboro disease is in poultry is caused by virus. Okay, so option B. Now come to question number 57. Zebu cattle is what? A water buffalo, B Indian buffalo, C cow, D sheep. So what is this Zebu cattle? It is water buffalo. Okay, so answer will be option A. Now come to question number 58. High milk yielding varieties of cows are obtained by A superovulation, B artificial insemination, C use of surrogate mothers, D all of the above. A B C तीनों करेक्ट होंगे. ओके, इनके एम ही है टू yield हाई, प्रोडक्शन हाई करना. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन D, that is all of the above. Now come to question number 59. Honey is a hybrid of male A horse and female donkey, B donkey and female horse, C goat and female lamb, D sheep and female goat. Okay, so it's a very important question. याद रखना that honey is a hybrid of your male horse and female donkey. Okay, so answer will be option A. Now come to question number 60. Streptococcus lactis is responsible for the A conversion of curd into lactic acid, B making of butter, C conversion of milk into curd, D, flavoring of tea. Okay, so the Streptococcus lactis is responsible for the making of butter. Okay, butter बनाने में इसे यूज करते हैं. Okay, so answer will be option B. Now come to question number 61. The disease caused by asbestos is A, emphysema, B, diarrhea, C, paralysis, D, dysentery. Okay, तो asbestos की वजह से कौन सा डिजीज होता है हमारा emphysema. Okay, answer will be option A. Now come to question number 62. AIDS virus has स्ट्रक्चर में दिया हुआ है. ओके, तो A सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए, B डबल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए, C सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए, D डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए. डीएनए तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा. ओके, इट्स द राइबोवायरस. सो सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए में आरएनए और डबल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए दिया हुआ है. आंसर विल बी सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए, ऑप्शन A. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. The animal which has become extinct recently in India happens to be. कौन सा एनिमल रिसेंटली इंडिया से एक्सटिंक्ट हुआ है? ऑप्शन A, गोल्डन कैट, B, चीता, C, woolly wolf, D, rhinoceros. Okay, answer will be cheetah. Now, that's why we need to conserve our biodiversity. Okay, we need to stop changing our environment and also we need to stop pollution. Okay, so that no such animals will get extinct in our future generation. Okay, so now come to question number 64. What are the basic units from which human spare parts can be created? Okay, A, kidney cells, B, heart cells, C, stem cells, D, nerve cells. Remember this, that stem cells are the basic units from which human spare parts can be created. Okay, so answer will be option C. Come to question number 65. The epithelial lining of pericardium is A, simple columnar, B, simple squamous, C, stratified squamous, D, cuboidal. Okay, सो पेरिकार्डियम का एपिथेलियल लाइनिंग पूछा है, कौन सा है? दैट इज सिंपल स्क्वैमस. ओके, तो हमारा टिश्यू चैप्टर का हमारा वीडियोस है, तो जाइए और टिश्यू चैप्टर के टिश्यू के बारे में वेरियस टिश्यू, देयर स्ट्रक्चर, क्लासिफिकेशन एज वेल एज फंक्शन, लोकेशन सब बताया गया है. गो देयर एंड चेक आउट. ओके, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. The cilia originate from A, nucleus, B, cytoplasm, C, basal granule, D, mitochondria. Okay, so cilia originates from the basal granule. Answer will be option C. Now come to question number 67. Crypts of liver cone in the small intestine of a mammal is A, branched alveolar gland, simple tubular gland, C, compound tubular gland, D, compound alveolar gland. Okay, ये याद रखना that crypts of liver bone in the small intestine of a mammal is a simple tubular gland. Okay, answer will be option B. Now come to question number 68. Mesothelium lines the A, peritoneal cavity, B, pericardial cavity, C, pleural cavity, D, all of these. So mesothelium lines A, B and C all. Okay, peritoneal cavity, pericardial cavity as well as pleural cavity. Okay, so answer will be option D. Now come to question number 69. Goblet cells are A, unicellular mucus glands, B, multicellular mucus glands, C, cuboidal epithelial cells, D, stratified cuboidal cells. Okay, so हमारा goblet cell क्या है? That is an unicellular mucus gland. Okay, so answer will be option A. Now last question. Melting point of all metabolic pathways is A, lactic acid, B, citric acid, C, arginase, D, acetyl coenzyme A. तो ये याद रखना, it's very important that meeting point of all metabolic pathway is acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, so answer will be option D. Okay. is all about your practice set 5 of zoology. And कल आप लोगों का एग्जाम है. Stay calm, stay focused and stay safe there. Carry your sanitizer as well as mask with you, and don't forget to take the admit card as well as water bottle. And all the best to all. Okay, thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon next to the subscription button so that you can get all the updates from us. Like and share as many as possible. Thank you.